Are you struggling to master the art of braised tofu? I'll share with you the common mistakes you could easily fix right now.
Learn to make the perfect flavor and texture. Also prevent it from falling apart. You can make the most delicious braised tofu.
Cut the soft tofu into small pieces.
Mistake number 1. Avoid cooking the tofu directly.
They are soft and could easily break apart. Sprinkle the salt over the tofu. Salt seasons the tofu and makes them more durable. Rest for 5 minutes.
Mistake number 2. Avoid not drying the tofu before pan frying.
They will splatter a lot. Dry the tofu with paper towels. Mix together the water, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and vegetarian oyster sauce. Whisk. In a pan over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of oil and wait until the oil is slightly hot. Carefully place in the tofu. Pan fry until golden brown, about 3 minutes on each side.
Mistake number 3. Avoid flipping the tofu too fast.
Wait until the tofu becomes golden brown, and then flip them. Otherwise, the tofu would easily fall apart. Take out the tofu and drain the excess oil. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add the carrot, ginger, garlic, king oyster mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, beech mushrooms, and snap peas. Stir fry until aromatic for about 30 seconds. Pour in the sauce, bring it to a simmer, and add the cornstarch slurry. We have here 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. Stir until it is thickened. Return the tofu and mix together. In a preheated clay pot, transfer everything inside. Top with scallions. Look at that beautifully cooked braised tofu. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other delicious tofu recipes. Please share your own experience in the comment below.
Absolutely delicious. It is so good. It makes me so happy right now. So please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!